Everything is over here. This is an amazing, amazing rosé. Voila! That's Manhattan skyline for you. Hi everyone. Welcome to another video from beautiful Big Apple. So today, we'll be actually going over the Brooklyn Bridge. Last week we went over the Queensboro Bridge, and there's a video. I'll put a link below, and of course you'll be able to see the link. I don't know exactly this way or that way, wherever it comes, for the Queensboro Bridge. But today we are crossing the Brooklyn Bridge, and little bit of myself. I'm DC. I'm a local New Yorker, and I love to cover my most favorite places of New York City, and I give you an unbiased review. So if you're liking my video, please do follow me. So today we're going to be crossing Brooklyn Bridge, which is one of the iconic bridges and iconic places in New York City, and we'll be going over from Manhattan, which is behind us, to Brooklyn on that side, the borough of Brooklyn. And it's like a festive occasion over here now. Everybody is on the bridge, everybody is just enjoying themselves in this New York summer. Wow, look at this. So it's going to be a great video. So we'll be crossing over to Brooklyn, and on the other side is Brooklyn Heights, and we're going to go have some food, and of course the views from this bridge is just fantastic. We'll show you all that. So it's going to be a great video, guys. So stick around and let's have some fun together. Wow, look at the amount of people crossing this bridge today. It's basically people are just having fun, strolling around. It's a festive occasion in New York. There are food vendors. There's all kinds of vendors over here. Wow, look at this. People are selling sunglasses, t-shirts. It's an absolute festive occasion over here. Wow. And of course, in front of us is the Brooklyn Bridge, that iconic Brooklyn Bridge. What a beautiful piece of architecture is this bridge. Look at the crowd, and of course, that's the bridge in front, guys. That's the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. How beautiful it is. And there is food places everywhere. People are selling all kinds of stuff. So guys, this is just craziness over here, but just loving it. This is how New York City is, and we are now entering the real Brooklyn Bridge overpass. Check it out, guys. Wow, look at this. Standing over here taking pictures, enjoying this summer day, but look at this gorgeous structure, guys. That's Manhattan over there. And that's the Manhattan Bridge. And that is the financial district, downtown Manhattan. Just crossed the Brooklyn Bridge, and now we are in Dumbo. Actually, it's basically down under the Brooklyn Bridge. That's why it's called Dumbo. So we're gonna head towards the waterfront, and there's quite a few nice restaurants, bars, etc. People are all around. There's beautiful views. So that's all coming. So don't go away. More to come. Stick around, because this video is going to be a really great video, and you'll love the sights. I promise you that. That rebel was going to almost hit me. But this is Grimaldi's, one of the most famous pizza places in the city, and look at the line over here to get in. And then you have got a bunch of other little restaurants over here. A lot of them are very famous, and a lot of them are very famous pizza places actually. That's another pizza place. It's called Juliana's Pizza Place. Look at this, huge line to get in. Then Fulton Burger. Wow, look at everyone just kind of chilling out and enjoying the summer afternoon over here. This area of Brooklyn basically got gentrified maybe like 30 years back, maybe less, like about 20-25 years back probably. Used to be very warehousey, but now it's so hard to get an apartment over here that you can afford. It's one of the most expensive neighborhoods of New York City. And guess why? Because of the beautiful views over here, and I will show you. That's the Brooklyn Bridge. We just crossed it just now. And over there is Manhattan, right over there. All those buildings you see over there is Manhattan. That's why this place is so expensive to live in. Look at this. This is the view of the Manhattan Bridge. How beautiful this is. And of course, that's Manhattan on that side. So we are getting inside this kind of this mall-ish, not really mall, like kind of a food court. So there you have the Time Out Market. All kinds of beautiful restaurants are there. And over here on this side is Cecconi's, which is one of the most famous Italian restaurants. So let's see if we can get any place over in Cecconi's, or we might just go to the Time Out Market over there. All kinds of nice restaurants, bars, and look at the scene over here, very nice. It's such a beautiful day, and walking around and just seeing people just hanging out over here and just enjoying themselves is so great. This is one of the best things about coming to this side of Brooklyn, because you have the river, you have the view of Manhattan, you have the view of the rivers, and you have the view of the bridge. So this is like everything is over here, and there's so many people, and it's so beautiful to see that. This is the famous Cecconi's restaurant. Let's see if we can get a place. Not sure, because it's always full. There's always people over here, so they need reservations, and I don't have reservations. So let's check it out if we can get in, and if I can get in, of course, I'll show you exactly what we are having. So stick around, guys. More to come. So we are at Cecconi's. I love this place. It's owned by Soho House. It's one of the best places to come in Brooklyn Heights. It's great food, great ambience, great service. We'll be having probably some drinks, maybe some snacks, maybe a pizza. Pizza is very good over here. So I'll show you what we're having. So stick around. More to come, guys. Cheers, guys. This is an amazing rosé. It's a French rosé. It's kind of dry, but not like bone dry. It's really nice, and it's very summery drink. Guys, got this fantastic tuna tartare. It looks so yummy. So now, moment of truth. Let's taste it. It's nice. Nice chunks of tuna. I think needed a little bit more salt, but it's nice. Can't complain. Alright, guys, this is the yummy pizza. It's a margarita pizza, so it has got cheese, basil, with this rich sauce. It's really yummy. Guys, we are walking inside this Time Out Market. There's so many nice little restaurants over here. So many different food stalls, and really good ethnic food. And it's, as you can see, it's like really packed.
Really packed. Really packed.
A lot of people over here. So, but the food is fantastic. So I definitely recommend that you guys come over here if you're in Brooklyn, if you're in New York City, and if you're in Dumbo Heights. definitely come and check this place out because the food quality is fantastic, the selections is awesome, and it smells so good. So definitely recommend this place. Wow, guys, look at this. Just wait for this view. Voila! That's Manhattan skyline for you, with the Manhattan Bridge right over here. This is Manhattan over here. It's so beautiful, just standing over here and just taking this shot. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening, and this view is just a zillion-dollar view. That's downtown Manhattan, that's the Freedom Tower right over there, and this is Brooklyn Bridge behind us. So it is just amazing, amazing. I definitely recommend that you come over here if you get a chance, especially in the evening. It's just fantastic. So hopefully you're enjoying this video, and if you're loving this video, please give it a thumbs up and please follow me. More videos to come, so do not forget to hit the bell icon, because that's how you'll get notified about my new videos that are coming up. Hope you enjoyed the video today. It was a lovely, lovely afternoon sharing this experience, crossing the Brooklyn Bridge, coming over here, eating great food, and the sights. Everything was fantastic, and the best thing was sharing that with you. So thank you for watching. I'm going to end the video. More videos to coming soon. Good night from New York City.